So guys, answer to all your hair problems is sitting in your kitchen. You don't believe me? Then keep on watching and watch till the end if you want to know answers to all your hair problems, be it hair fall, frizzy hair, dry hair, damaged hair. So I have tried to add everything, and I won't I will not give away everything in the initial part, because just go ahead and check out the video, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So yes, in this video I will be doing I will be telling you 5 masks for hair that you can make in your own kitchen. You don't have to go out and buy for anything, because as we all know that we are at home during this quarantine time and we cannot step out of the house and we cannot take care of the things that we usually used to do. So I thought let me come up with few ideas where you can take care of your hair, because lots of you have been reaching out to me on Instagram and asking for कि दी प्लीज़ कुछ हेयर के लिए ट्यूटोरियल बनाओ, दी प्लीज़ कुछ हेयर के लिए मतलब कुछ भी ट्यूटोरियल बनाओ के एंड शेयर सम टिप्स हाउ योर हेयर आर सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड हेल्दी. Trust me guys, lots of work is needed for your hair, and I do now I don't get that much time to do a lot for my hair. But yes, for you guys I have tried to create 5 hair masks that you can you can make in your kitchen and then you can use. And I have tried to make the hair mask for all the hair problems, be it damaged hair, frizzy hair, dry hair, and if you're for the fast hair growth. So I have tried to answer to all the questions. So let's without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. And I absolutely love this top. So see the sleeves, they are so pretty, bell sleeves. So when I was in Delhi I bought this top and my father complimented on this. He told me that you look very pretty in this top. So I was मैं कहीं पे भी बाहर जाती हूँ और मुझे कभी कुछ भी पहनना होता तो सबसे पहले मैं ये टॉप निकाल के पहन लेती हूँ. And my husband will say try to wear something else, you have worn this top a lot. मतलब उन्होंने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है तो इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. एंड आई थॉट आई विल wear this top in this video. So yes, here I am, and let me know what do you think about this top, because I absolutely love it. The color, the detailing, the design at the top, the sleeves, everything is so pretty, and I agree with him. I look pretty. And guys, I'm filming this video after 15 days. I generally shoot my videos on Saturdays or Sundays, because in weekdays I don't get time at all to shoot video, because from Monday to Friday I'm working 9 to 5. I'm working from home and I'm a full-time working mom, so I don't get time at all. And in weekends also it gets very difficult to shoot. Yeah, last time I was not feeling well, so I didn't shoot. And this Saturday, today is Saturday and I'm shooting a video, and I it has been around 15 days, so I never realized that how much I missed shooting a video. I have connected with you guys at a level that I miss shooting. I miss creating content for you guys, and you guys are so cute. And I posted a story on my Instagram saying that I will not be shooting on this Saturday because I'm not feeling that well. I was feeling very lazy that day, that weekend. So I thought I will give time to my family, my kid, everything. So I didn't shoot at that weekend. And you guys are such a sweethearts that you came out to me and you bombarded my Instagram with so much love. हर कोई मुझे DM करके पूछ रहा था कि तन्वी, आर यू ओके? दी, आप ठीक हो? दी, आर यू फीलिंग फाइन? एवरीथिंग इज what happened and why you are not shooting a video and all. I was so touched, you guys, in such a small span of time that we have connected so much. So this means a lot. You guys means a lot to me, that you don't know how much it means to me when you guys guys come to me on Instagram. I don't know why you guys are shy on YouTube, because most of my crowd comes from Instagram and my family. Yeah, so like many of you come on Instagram and you shower so much love to me, so it means a lot. Trust me guys, like I just like love it, and I miss filming a lot. Like I cannot explain it in words, so I thought like even if I will make one video, I will definitely do it. अब अच्छा है, ठीक है, मैंने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया, मैंने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली है. अब आई विल स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो, बिकॉज अगेन आई डोंट वांट दिस वीडियो लाइक इतना लंबा हो जाए और आई विल डिविएट फ्रॉम द टॉपिक. आई डोंट वांट दैट, बिकॉज आधे लोग तो बीच में छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे, पता नहीं क्या बोल रही है. सो येस, आई विल स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So guys, in this video I have added 5 masks for you. So I will begin with the first mask. So my first mask is fenugreek seeds, जो मेथी का दाना होता है, that is that. So like my first mask is associated with that fenugreek seeds, and it's awesome for hair growth. If you are looking for a homemade mask and if you want fast hair growth, then you can definitely check this, like try this mask. So what you have to do, you have to take 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds and you have to soak it overnight. So आप थोड़ा सा मेथी का दाना ले लीजिए and उसको रात भर भिगो के रख दीजिए पानी के अंदर. So once you will see it in the morning, it will be swollen. So what you do, you take the like swollen fenugreek seeds and then add 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of coconut, and you just grind it and make a fine paste, and like you can blend it in your blender और मिक्सी वगैरह कुछ भी है उसके अंदर, उसको यूज करके आप उसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लीजिए. So it will be like quite thick, it will look quite thick, and like the consistency will be quite thick. So fenugreek seeds are very healthy for your hair. They help your hair to grow very fast, like, and curd is a very good nourishment for your hair, that it will give a very fine and healthy glow to your skin. And coconut oil, like we all know the benefits of coconut oil, that I don't have to like say separately what are the benefits of coconut oil. And trust me guys, like try this mask and you will not, like my hair has grown a lot, because when I came back from Delhi, like I came back from Delhi in December, so my hair were very short, and I will not add or tell any mask to you guys which I have not tried myself. So everything I will be telling you, I have tried and tested myself. So I don't want like any hair mask, like anything to talk to you guys which I have not tried myself. So yes, try this like mask. Definitely you will feel a very exponential and fast growth in your hair, and your hair will look so nourished and beautiful. So you can use this once a month as well, or twice a month as well, as we are at home. So we can take out a bit time to take care of our hair. So even if we don't get time to take care of our hair, so you can use it once a month as well, and you will see a huge difference. Trust me guys, just try it out. So my second mask is for the people who are suffering from dandruff. So yes, if you guys are suffering from dandruff, then you can definitely try this mask. And whatever mask I am trying to tell you guys, that it's not necessary for females. Like many males come like DM me that दी क्या हम ये like ये चीज हम use कर सकते हैं. That I have posted a review about a Cure Skin cream. So like many people reached out to me and they asked me like, I have acne problem, so can this cream help me, and can a guy use it? So yes guys, like in any video if I am like telling you something, then I will definitely tell that if it's a unisex thing, or if only girls can use it. But if any guy is facing any dandruff problem, then you guys can also try this hair mask. The previous hair mask also, if you want, if some guy wants a good growth for his hair, then like you can check out that mask as well. So for this mask, what you have to do, you have to take half cup of curd, and you have to take 2 tablespoons of lemon, and then you have to take 1 tablespoon of honey. I will repeat it again so you guys can write it down somewhere. Half cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So you blend it properly, that it makes a fine paste, एक अच्छा सा paste बन जाएगा. So you can apply this paste for half an hour or even 1 hour. Then you can wash it off with very lukewarm water and very light shampoo. So yes, this thing will help you in fighting your dandruff. इससे आपका dandruff का problem काफ़ी solve हो जाएगा, because lemon is a very good ingredient. lemon से आपका dandruff बहुत कम हो जाएगा. And with honey and curd, they both mixed together will work wonders for your hair. Like it will give a very fine and beautiful nourishment to your hair and a very fine healthy shine to it. So yeah, definitely if you guys are having some dandruff problem, so please go ahead and try this like hair mask and let me know what do you feel about it. So the third mask I will be adding is for dry hair. If you have extremely dry hair and you feel that your like nourishment is missing from your hair, so you can definitely try this mask which I am telling you now. So for this mask you have to use milk and honey mask. So it's a milk and a honey mask. So it's for dry hair. So what you have to do, you have to mix like few tablespoons of milk and few drops of honey. Like warm it a bit, like not that warm that आपका सिर ही जल जाए. Don't do that. Just थोड़ा सा उसको गर्म कर लीजिए और उसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लीजिए. Like blend it very finely so that it gets absorbed into each other, and then you can apply the mask on your hair for half an hour or so, half an hour or 45 minutes, and then you can rinse and wash it off with very lukewarm water. So like one thing I will like to tell you guys, that don't wash your hair with extremely like warm water, because like जो गर्म पानी होता है ना, वो हमारे बालों का सारा लाइक सॉफ्टनेस, नरिशमेंट्स, वो सब खत्म कर देता है. एंड इट स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ योर हेयर फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट इज देयर. सो लाइक आपके बाल बहुत ब्रिटल, बहुत ड्राई और बहुत फ्लेकी और बहुत मतलब फ्रीजी काइंड ऑफ हो जाएंगे. सो डोंट लाइक ट्राई टू वॉश योर हेयर विद लाइक लूक वार्म वाटर और कोल्ड वाटर, नॉट एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड वाटर एज वेल. सो या. So yes guys, keep this mask for 30 minutes and wash it off with water and then like some shampoo, and like milk will moisturize and clean your hair, and honey will provide the nourishment which has gone from your hair. So yes, definitely check out this mask, and you can also like use this mask like 2 times or 3 times in a month, like howsoever it suits you, how many times you can apply it. If you are doing it every week also, if you guys have time and you can do it every week also, that is also very good. That if you are working, like if you have some major like you know dry hair, then you can definitely check it out. Moving on to the next hair mask, it's a banana and almond oil hair mask. It's for frizzy hair. So if you guys, if you my girls and my like other followers, if you have extremely frizzy hair, then definitely try this mask, because it's very helpful. I cannot emphasize enough on it that you have to use banana and almond oil for this mask. So banana is a very good ingredient to fight frizziness from your hair. You take one banana and add almond oil to it, and you blend it very perfectly so that a very like fine paste is in front of you, and then you apply it on your hair and leave it for 30 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes. Don't leave it for that much, because 30 minutes is enough for it. So yes, after applying, and then you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. So banana is a very good ingredient to fight frizziness from your hair. You take one banana and add almond oil to it, and you blend it very perfectly so that a very like fine paste is in front of you, and then you apply it on your hair and leave it for 30 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes. Don't leave it for that much, because 30 minutes is enough for it. So yes, after applying, and then you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. So yes guys, if you are having like problem with frizzy hairs and you have extremely frizzy hair, then definitely check out this hair mask. You will not be disappointed, and like share your ideas with me. If you have any other ideas for the frizzy hair, then I'm definitely here, because my hairs are like they are very frizzy, so I am looking for other like masks also, but this mask works wonderfully for me, so definitely check it out. So the next mask which I will be telling you, that is the last mask of this video. So this mask is for damaged hair people. So for this mask you need coconut oil plus honey. So like both of these things are very essential for your hair, so I added coconut oil and hair honey mask for the damaged hair, because many people are suffering from damaged hair and like they come up to me like to share some tips for the damaged hair. So I thought that I will create one video where I will share all my hair masks with addressing different problems. So yeah, for this damaged hair mask you need coconut oil and honey, and then you use 1 tablespoon of both, like equal amounts you need, and then you mix and whip it together so that a very fine paste is created, and then you apply it on your. So like 1 tablespoon of both is enough, and you just lukewarm a bit so it will like give you the results bit faster. This is what I experienced. And then you like apply it from top to bottom. So you are applying to your scalp and then you are applying to the full hair, because even in the middle also, if your hair like is damaged and something, it's try to conceal and cover everything, because honey and again coconut oil, they are both wonderful products for your hair. So yeah, like after that applying it, and you like tie it up a bit, like do a round thing, and put a shower cap on it, or like cover your hair a bit and leave it for 20-25 minutes, and then you can wash it off with very lukewarm water or like room temperature water, and then you can like use a very mild shampoo after that. Like guys, whatever mask I am telling you, don't use any strong shampoo, just use a very basic and minimum, like with minimum ingredients kind of shampoo that is very light for your hair. So yes, you definitely try this and tell me if it helped you in fighting your damaged hair problems. So yes guys, this is it. These are the 5 masks which I have added in this video, and let me know which mask you guys have used and which mask helped you guys a lot. So, and if you guys want me to do another video related to hair, because I'm planning to do one more video regarding the fast hair growth. Because it's crazy, like so many of you reached out to me like, "Dee, make a video for fast hair growth, like we want some home tips like that." So I'm thinking, and I will definitely create a video for that, and it will be a whole together a very different video. So guys, I hope you like this video and you like what something different I tried to do for this video. So yeah, if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already, and share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from that. And if you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and check out my profile, because I am very active there. I post a lot of pictures, and I answer to a lot of DMs. So I try to answer to every DM which is possibly there. Apart from that silly crazy questions, I just ignore them. Like hi, what do I do with your hi? So yes, yeah. So like if you have not checked out my Instagram profile, my handler is tanvi.agarwal.562. I will add my link for the Instagram below in the description. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check it out. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like it means a lot to me that you guys take out time from your busy schedules and watch my videos and support me this much. Like please keep on supporting me like further, because I need 1000 subscribers. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you in my next one. Bye, take care.